Hi guys, in front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select personalizations, and here you will notice wallpapers. So just mark it, and now you can pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be something from your own album, wallpapers, then static wallpapers and live wallpapers. Let me open static. And here you've got all the options. Just mark a particular wallpaper to see how the picture looks on your screen. And then just apply the one that you like the most. Let me pick, for example, this one. Then click on apply. And finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick the third option. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screen. So this is it. This is how you can customize your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.